1, 2, 3. Cheese and crackers, crackers and cheese. I like cheese. I like crackers. Put them together, cheese and crackers.
A pot where the water flows through. They can be my water when I have in the shower. And I'll turn into my soap and I'll wash it all over my body. And then I'll get that thing over there and just put it in the bag and throw it in the
Okay. Wait.
What else? Let me see my laptop.
No. I mean, yes, it's right there.
Yeah, I've looked all over the house for this thing. Don't know where. Who put it there?
Well, since it's your laptop, I beg to suggest that maybe you put it there.
I know where I put things. Good old laptop.
You've really upgraded.
You've upgraded really.
That was good quality shit right there.
I thought I should.
Yeah, you probably, that's definitely good quality. I would recommend that to other people. You know? So it's a good kind of thing. Then you got a new laptop and everything. And so I take this. Oh wait, you're not gonna. Are you gonna? Oh.
Send you an email that says hi with a smiley face before a colon for the eyes and a closed bracket for the mouth. No, Nicole.
Hang on.
See you later.
See you, Mum.
Okay.
Like
It's very hot outside.
Wednesday night.
Yeah.
Right. See you then.
Bye.
Love you, Mum. Drive safe.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, well, she might love you, but no one else does love you, okay? No one is going to send you an email from the YouTube shit you do, or the podcast, or this sitcom we're doing right now. No one.
It's an Oscar, Michelle.
You know, nobody cares, Nicole. You're just a failure. You're a complete failure in life. You're a complete failure in everything you do. You know, you wonder why I'm here, just to save everything.
Not doing something is not right. People email me, they email me. I get emails from people.
No one emails you. You might get, the odd PM from someone that might have been a mistake. Okay, but no one's going to send you a real email, Nicole, because they don't really care about you.
I'm going to start with PMs from Alec. I'm pretty sure they weren't mistakes. You know? Okay, I get emails from, weirdos who want me to show their feet or something, or, Western more revealing, I get weird stalkery ones. Yeah, I do.
Yeah,
I totally do.
I'm sure you do, Nicole. Hey, Nicole, isn't it about time you checked your email?
Yeah, it's been about 5 or so minutes, so probably about time. Yeah.
Did you want to use my laptop, save you getting up and looking for yours?
Rochelle, that's so nice of you. You're so nice. Oh, here you go. I've read my Bible if you want.
Oh,
it's good
sweet,
reading.
thanks.
Oh my god, I have a new email. maybe it's a new subscriber notification.
Maybe.
Or maybe it's an email from Alex or Jimmy or a fan telling me how great I am. Or maybe it's from you.
You're welcome.
It's times like this, I wonder why we're friends.
I never have those moments, Nicole.
Don't touch me. Okay, get off me now. That's enough. Get off me. Get off me. Don't touch me, Rochelle. Get your head out of my boots. Get off me. Is that your tongue in my elbow? That's weird. Get out. Get out. Get away from me. I've been violated. Ugh! Don't touch me anymore. That's gross. Okay, I'm gonna go and kill my neighbour's cat. So you're gonna be right just to pack up here, Rochelle? I've got things to do. Right, just gonna go kill my neighbours. Don't touch me. Please don't touch me anymore. Okay, I'm being Rainbow right now. I'm Rainbow. Don't touch me. It's not something that's a homage, yeah? You know homages? Yeah, you wouldn't know shit, would ya? Bitches know shit. Maybe I should call someone. Someone like you.
Oh, really?